Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the tips and guides for those people who are willing to start their programming journey, or those people also who have already started their programming journey but they're facing difficulties in this field. So I will suggest a must watch this video before starting your coding journey. So what I saw, like many people will start learning programming, but after some days or in between that, they will feel like, okay, this field is not for me. Even I'm not able to cope up everything here. So eventually they will be giving up. Okay. So that's why I thought let's create one video. So in that video, actually, I will give you some of the tips and guides from my experience. The tips and guides actually I used to follow, okay, during my learning phase. So the first tip is make a proper plan and execute. So why I'm telling this thing? Because see, it's not only programming language. If you are starting with any work, okay, you need a proper plan to execute. Otherwise, what will happen? You won't be able to be consistent, okay? The things would be random. Now here you can ask me what would be the proper plan here. Okay, so those who are starting learning programming, so you may follow some of the, you can say, free or paid resources. Okay, you may follow some free courses, you may follow some paid courses. So whatever you are following, try to stick with that and try to finish it, okay, until it gets over. Okay, so what I saw, like many people will start like 2 videos from this playlist, then again 2 videos from that playlist. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, so whatever playlist you have started with, try to follow that. Because see, whenever a content creator start creating their content, okay, or start creating any course, okay, at that time they have some you can say different plan. Okay, they have their one way of teaching. Okay, so whatever playlist you are following, try to finish it at least. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to understand, okay, like what he wants to do actually, okay, through this entire playlist. So whenever you are trying to watch like one videos from that playlist and another video from that playlist, okay, so it will make you like very random and you will be like more confused like what to do. Okay, so instead of following so many of resources, okay, just try to follow one resources and try to finish it. Okay, and apart from that, just make a proper time period, like in 4 to 5 months you have to finish this programming language. Okay, so then what will happen, it will remind you every day like you have this time period and you have to finish that thing, okay, in that time period. Okay, so it will make you like more consistent. Just trust me, just apply this thing. Okay, you will feel like it will help you a lot. So if you are not making this proper time period, so what will happen? Things would be like very random. Suppose you have started something today, okay? So tomorrow you'll feel like, no, tomorrow I won't be working, okay? I have some other work. So what I will do, I will finish that thing after tomorrow. So again, this will make you inconsistent, okay? So it is very much important. Just make a proper time period, okay? And execute with respect to that. Now let's come to the second tips. Never ask yourself, am I too late or not? Okay, so I can't tell like it's a tips, you can take it as a motivation. So many people think like they're very late and they won't be able to make a switch in this field. Okay, so never think that, because see, I saw many people like with the older age and they have like lots of career gaps, okay, in their life, but still they are able to make a switch in this field. Okay, so never ask yourself you are too late. Okay, so if you have the motivation, if you have the passion, okay, if you want to learn the programming, okay, just start. Okay, try to finish it. Everything is possible. Okay, even you can make a switch. Just trust me. I'm not telling just from my imagination. Okay, I saw this kinds of example. Okay, I saw like many people already did this thing. So that's why never ask yourself you are too late. Okay, whatever you are, it's fine. If you have the passion, try to do it. Now let's come to the third tip, which is super important whenever you are trying to learn any programming language. So the third tip is make projects as much as you can. Because see guys, whenever you are trying to learn any programming language, it might be C, it might be C++, it might be Python. Okay, so there actually you will be learning a lots of concepts. Okay, and this concept won't be like very much clear, okay, until you apply these are the concepts, okay, in a real world application. Okay, so that's why you have to implement projects as much as you can. Suppose you have learned for loop and array, okay, in any programming language. So what you can do, just take that concepts, okay, and try to build a simple projects. Okay, you are not supposed to build Facebook or Amazon here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take that concepts, try to build one simple projects. Okay, there actually you will be applying this for loops and list. Okay, or you can talk about array. Okay, so whenever you will be applying that concepts, okay, in a practical application, okay, the things would be like very much clear in your mind. Even and you will be able to remember that thing very longer period of time in your mind. So only learning things won't work. So after learning any concept, try to apply that concept in a practical application, try to build projects as much as you can, then actually it will be very much clear and you will be getting a lots of interest. Okay, so unless you are not getting the interest, okay, why I'm learning the programming language, like why I can apply, these are the concepts. Okay, so till this point actually you will have a lots of confusion in your mind. Okay, so like why I'm learning these concepts. Okay, so that's why I'm telling whatever you are learning, try to apply in a project. Even when I used to learn like coding, okay, at that time I used to build a lots of projects. Okay, if you go to my GitHub, okay, and if you go like very last of my GitHub, okay, you will see there are lots of projects I have implemented. Okay, try to pick that projects, try to implement from your side. Okay, it will give you like clear understanding. So guys, implementing projects, one of the very important things what I feel like whenever you are trying to learn any programming language. Tip number 4, use GitHub or any online reference. Because see, whenever you are trying to learn any programming language, okay, at that time you practice a lot. Okay, you play with different code, you play with different concepts. Okay, so what happen actually, whenever you are trying to use this kinds of GitHub or any online reference, just try to upload your code there. Why you have to upload this thing in GitHub or any other online platform? Can I keep it in my local machine? Yes, you can keep it in your local machine. But suppose after 1 year your system might get crashed. At that time you will lose all the data. Okay, suppose you want to understand one project, the project you had implemented 1 year back. At that time what you will do? Okay, you have already lost all of your data. But suppose if you are uploading these kinds of projects or this kinds of code in GitHub or any other online platform, okay, so you won't be losing these are the data. Okay, you won't be losing these are the code. Okay, so wherever you are, okay, suppose you are in other country, okay, and you want to use that code, you can easily do it. Okay, just try to log in with your GitHub account, try to go to the repository, try to get the code. Okay, so there actually you don't have to carry your laptop, you don't have to carry your computer. Okay, it's like very much important guys, I'm telling, because see, so guys, trust me, whenever you will be working for any company, okay, so there actually you have to use this other tool. Okay, and this is like very first requirement. Okay, they will be telling like do you know GitHub? Okay, do you know Bitbucket? Okay, so these are the thing actually you can practice, okay, apart from your programming. Okay, I will suggest don't focus on as of now. Okay, just try to learn like how to upload the code, okay, in this online platform like GitHub, or if you're using Bitbucket or any other thing. Okay, just at least try to learn like how to upload the code so that I won't be losing my code, okay, after implementing anything. So this is super important thing I can suggest you. Okay, and at the last and final tips is start right now. See guys, if you are willing to start your programming journey, I will suggest don't wait too much. Okay, if you are watching this video, start right now. After watching this video, just start right now. Okay, try to pick up any playlist, try to start learning. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you may lose that motivation tomorrow. So that's why I'm telling, start right now, write your first code today. Okay, try to commit it in any other online platform. Okay, try to share that code, okay, in your profile. Okay, the comments you will be getting from your friends and family. Okay, just trust me guys, the energy you will get from these comments, okay, you can't ever buy this energy by $1000s. Okay, just trust me, try to write your first code today, try to share with your friends and family. Okay, try to get the feedback. So yes guys, these are the 5 tips I just wanted to share with you. Okay, I hope it will help you a lot, okay, during your journey. So just try to follow these things. These things actually I have, okay, already followed during my journey. Okay, that's why I have given these tips to you. Okay, because see it, so when it worked for me, okay, I believe it will also work for you. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about from this video. I hope you liked it. Okay, if you have liked it, just try to subscribe to my channel. Okay, try to share these videos with your friends and family. Okay, and try to keep learning guys, because learning never stops. Okay, so guys, always remember one thing, consistency is the key here. If you are consistent enough, nobody can stop you. With that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.